Welcome to another Figma tutorial. In this video, we'll teach you how to use Presentation View to share your designs with others. With the frames of our design on the canvas, click the play icon in the upper right corner of the toolbar to open Presentation View in a new browser tab. In Presentation View, we'll see a single frame in the center of the screen. We can navigate through the frames of our design by using the left and right arrow keys on our keyboard, or on the arrow icons under the frame. Figma displays each top-level frame sequenced in the order in which they appear on the canvas. Let's return to our design and take a look. Starting from the top left frame, Figma scans from left to right on the same horizontal row, looking for additional frames. If there are no more frames in that row, Figma will look for additional rows and resume scanning from left to right again. Let's head back to Presentation View and look at some additional features. At the left side of the toolbar in Presentation View, we have the option to add comments. If we click the share icon, we can copy the presentation URL to share with others and even copy the public embed code. In the top right corner, we have Scaling drop-down menu, which defaults to fill. Scaling options determine how our design will scale to fit our screen. There are three options: fit within area by scaling down, fill area by scaling up or down, display at 100%. The pixel density of your computer's display and the scale of the operating system and browser can affect the size at which your preview appears. To learn more about this, check out the articles on our Help Center. We also have the ability to enter full screen mode by clicking the full screen icon in the far right. This hides the browser as well as Figma's toolbar. This can help your audience focus on your designs without any unnecessary visual distractions. Simply click the escape key on your keyboard to exit this view. If you would like to create more complex interactions and learn how to connect your frames and other elements together, be sure to check out our videos on prototyping. Let's review what we've learned today. Click the play icon to open Presentation View in a new tab. Figma orders frames beginning in the top left corner, moving left to right, and then top to bottom. Navigate between frames using your arrow keys or by clicking on the frame or arrows. View your presentation in full screen mode for a cleaner